Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show my first flip project. This property located in Hollywood Hills, Hollywood, Florida. 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom with 2-car garage and with brand new pool. Listed at $975,000. We property located in beautiful location, and the property is close to main highway, close to Fort Lauderdale and Miami airport, like 20-25 minutes away. Fort Lauderdale is like 15 minutes away. I'm gonna show you the quick house tour. Let's check this out. The front of house looks like this. Let's go see inside. When you step inside, you have beautiful living room and kitchen. We have brand new appliance. We have beautiful countertop. You have beautiful view to the street. Right there we have main master bedroom and the second bedroom. Let's check this out. Let's check the regular bedroom. It's quite big, spacious, and all the way end of the corridor there is a main master bedroom. But before going master bedroom, we have second bathroom. Let's see, beautiful shower and vanities. And this is our main bedroom. We have walk-in closet here, and let me show you the beauty. We have beautiful bathroom, beautiful shower with the tub, nice vanities. And let's check the garage and the last third bedroom. Look at this. And also we have laundry room, also the water heater and the AC unit is right there. It's almost like a room. We have 2-car garage right here, and it looks messy. This needs to be cleaned up. And last big bedroom, you have access to the backyard, and also the main bedroom has access to the backyard pool. We have beautiful black tile bathroom. Now let's check the backyard. We have tiled porch and brand new pool, beautiful mango trees, palm trees, and we have oasis in the corner. It looks very cool. The cactus and some trees, I don't know the names, but that's palm tree. I show the view. At the end, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you like the house, please contact me. I can schedule private showing for you. As you know, I'm a realtor. We can look for your dream house as well. It doesn't matter this house. We can check anywhere in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, anywhere close to this area. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.